Take it in lovemaking. There are 3 levels at which a man and a woman can relate to one another. There is the relation between John and Mary, personalities. There is the relation of yin and yang, polarities, energy poles. In both of those, the word lust is appropriate. That is, you are turned on by the other person as object, as them. And then, through the method, you get to the place where we are us, briefly. There is still another method, and that is to establish with another human being the place of us. And calm down until we are here, and there is one consciousness and 2 bodies, and then the 2 bodies do the dance of nature, which is what they are, and through that dance they create energy which we draw up to keep us right in this place of unity. And once you are in this place of unity, to, quote, make love in the old-fashioned head models of subject-object brings you down. Brings you down. It's as simple as that. And you're just not going to settle for it finally. You've got to understand what desire creates the universe means. You create a peaceful man lives in a peaceful universe. This is not hiding one's head in the sand. This is the only leverage one has on the prawn of the universe, on the illusion. If I stop at a gas station, the guy is wiping my windshield. Who is the guy? He is God and I am God. You see, we in the West have been educated for so long about individual differences. Taller, shorter, richer, poorer, older, younger, them, us, establishment, hippies, dropouts, drop-ins. Man, we got it coming out of our ears. So many discriminations. Behind all those discriminations, here we are. The minute you do the flip over so that the figure becomes ground and the ground becomes figure, everybody you look at is the same person. I mean, if I know Sam whether Sam's wearing a blue shirt or a green shirt, don't I? And I can still discriminate blue shirts and green shirts, but I don't confuse Sam in the blue shirt with Sam in the green shirt. I don't think they're 2 different people. I know Sam. Well, the fact is, here we all are, and we are all God. Now, what are we going to do about it? If we all knew who we were, there would be in this room at this moment one consciousness and all these manifestations. That's why I said at the beginning, if you think you're listening, you're in the wrong place. It's like, I know I'm not talking.